I know you have tried different ways of fish curry, but have you ever wondered why wedding style fish curry at home tastes so different? It's never the same thing, so I decided to give a call and make a wedding style fish curry. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story. And this is Smita. So let's make wedding style fish curry without any separate masala. And now let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are tomatoes, turmeric and Kashmiri red chili powder, some whole spices, coriander, cumin, cinnamon, and green cardamom. With that, potato, onion, ginger, and garlic, salt as per your taste, and our lovely fishes. You can take any fish of your choice. I am using sea bass. First of all, take the fish and wash it properly. Then into it add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and turmeric powder. Rub with your hands and marinate for 10-15 minutes before frying it. Now drop this marinated fish into the hot oil and fry it until it turns golden and crisp from all the sides. On the other side, let us make some masala. First of all, take some whole spices, half teaspoon each, coriander, cumin, 2 green cardamom, and 2 small cinnamon sticks. Dry roast it until it turns smoky. Then transfer this into a mixer grinder and make a coarsely powder. So let me make this powder on the other side. Are you following me on my YouTube channel, Cooking Story? Then please subscribe and do try the recipes and share your feedback. This motivates me and keep going. Now our masalas are well done. Keep it on the other side onto the same pan. We will now add 1 cup of water to boil our veggies. And once the water starts boiling, add 2 medium onion cut into big sizes, 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 2 to 3 ginger slices. Add 2 medium-sized potato, cut it into half, and 1 tomato, cut it into small pieces. Then add 2 red chili whole and boil this in a medium-high flame for 7 to 8 minutes or until they are soft enough. On the other side, let me check the fishes. You can see our fishes are done from one side. Now flip the other side and repeat the process and wait for until the other sides turn brown. Though in this recipe you need to fry the fish little hard or else it can break when you place them into the gravy. After that, let us check the veggies. You can see it is done. Remove it from the water and strain it, and once it cools down, we will make a paste of all these veggies except the potatoes. For your information, let me inform you that in this recipe, mainly Katla fish is used as this fish is much cheaper than sea bass. So you can use any fish of your choice. It is not compulsory that you have to use Katla or sea bass. Now make a paste and keep aside. On the other side, take the boiled potato and into the same frying fish oil, add the potato. With that, add pinch of salt and turmeric powder and fry this potato until it turns light golden. And once they are golden, remove it from the pan and onto that same oil we will add the paste which we had done just now. After adding this tomato paste, stir it well and cook this in a low flame until oil start to release from all the sides and water get evaporated. Now you can see it changes its color. At this point, add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the entire taste. Though this sugar is optional, if you don't want, you just ignore it. Then add 1 teaspoon of the roasted masala. Finally, give a good stir from all the sides, and then add our fried potatoes. Now add 1 cup of water and let the potato cook for 8 to 10 minutes so the masalas are well absorbed. Though you need to cover and cook in a very low flame. Now remove the lid and stir well. Then add our fried fish at the end and again sprinkle 1 teaspoon of the roasted masala from above. Then cook for 4 to 5 minutes without covering the lid so the oil comes at the top and your gravy looks perfectly delicious. Finally, you can check the taste. If needed, you can add salt and adjust it, or else remove it and serve in a serving plate and garnish it with some coriander chopped and green chillies and enjoy this with hot piping rice or pulao. And if you like today's recipe, which is a wedding style fish curry, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.